Hello everyone, I am Mahak Malviya, Assistant Professor of Forensic Science at Sage University, Bhopal. Today we are going to talk about glass as a forensic evidence. We see glass in our day-to-day lives, and as you know, we eat, we see through the windows, we drive through the cars, that all the surfaces that we use are made up of glass itself. Glass is an inorganic amorphous solid material. It is hard, brittle, and non-degradable in nature. The major component of glass is silicon dioxide, and that makes it reflective, refractive, and transmittive in nature. The major property of glass is that it can be modified by altering process of production and constitution. Due to this very reason, there are various types of glass that are being found in the nature today. Let's see what they are. The first is float glass or soda lime glass. Due to its ability to be resoftened and remelted numerous times, these type of glasses are used in windows, picture frames, doors, flat glass objects, etc. The major component with sodium dioxide in this type of glass is sodium carbonate. Second is the tempered glass, a type of safety glass processed by controlled thermal or chemical treatments to increase its strength compared with normal glass. The top layer of this type of glass is cooled first, causing internal stress, so that when broken, the glass fracture is divided into small blunt pieces so that it may not hurt the viewer. Such type of glasses are used in safety glasses, auto glass, shower doors, and plate glass windows in stores. The third is borosilicate glass, which has boron as its major constituent, due to which it is highly heat resistant and chemical resistant in nature. Lab glassware, kitchen items, etc. are majorly made up of borosilicate glasses. Tinted glasses that has colorant that reduce glare or heat penetration. Such type of glasses are used as decorative pieces and in laboratories to store some reagents and chemicals also. With silicon dioxide, there is additives or colorants added to such type of glass. Some additives or colorants are cobalt oxide, which gives blue color to the glass, manganese oxide, which gives purple color to the glass, and chromium oxide, which gives green color to the glass. Next is lead glass, that is also known as crystal. It gives a high brilliance, as we know by the name crystal itself. It has lead oxide in it, which gives that brilliance or brittle shine to the glass. Normally, wine glasses or fine dining items are majorly made of such type of glass. The next is laminated glass. Plastic film is sandwiched between layers of glasses, which is used or named as laminated glasses. It is majorly used in automobile windshields, safety glass in banks, or bulletproof glasses. Other type of glasses are mirrors, coated glass, optical glass, fiberglass, screens, etc. Now, when we talk about glass as a forensic evidence, what exactly we aim towards? Glass is the most important evidence that can be found at the crime scene. It can be carried away from the scene undetected. It is stable and inert so that it cannot decay or react with any other material. Glass may also identify the direction of force that was used on it. It can carry other evidences related to crime, example biological evidences, tool marks, trace evidences, projectiles, etc. And it plays the most important role in reconstructing a crime scene. That's it for this part. Thank you so much for keeping up with me. The next part about glass fracture will be discussed in the second lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.